Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a comparison test with these Ninja wood pellets and some Traeger pellets. So just out of clarification for this is not a sponsorship. I've paid for these pellets out of my own pocket. What I will say before we get started, that both sets of pellets I microwave for 2 minutes each. Now if you're going to do this, be very careful. Try it for a minute or go for 2 minutes. If you're going to go for 2 minutes, just keep an eye on those pellets because they can set fire. These are the Ninja pellets. For a cook you'll need 50 grams, that's 1.75 ounce. That's 75 pence or 85 cents per cook. So we've got one scoop in the fire hopper. We're going to load these into the machine and we're going to get ready. So we're going to go on smoker. We've got 120 degrees C and we're going to set for 1 hour. Press start. We've got ignition and we're away. People say that one hopper of pellets will last you a 45-minute cook. Well, this is 1 hour. So we'll take this out and we'll have a look. As you can see, we've got at least half a hopper left. What we're going to do now is put it back in. We're going to go on the same settings and we're going to start again. As you can see, the top left of the screen, you can still see smoke coming out of the back of the Ninja. We're at the 90-minute mark now, so we're just going to take these pellets out and have a look. We've still got a little bit in the bottom. I'm going to give them a little bit of a shake. Get them down up to the bottom. We're going to put them back in. I'm going to carry on going. So that's 100 minutes these pellets have had. We're going to go in and take the hopper out and have a look. And they're just about burnt down. We've got a few that have stuck to the side. That's probably a little bit of tar residue. We're going with the same weight of pellets. That's 50 grams. That's 1.75 ounce. And these are 10 pence or 12 cents per cook. We'll get these loaded in. We're going exactly the same settings. Smoker, 120 degrees and 1 hour. So we'll press the button and we're off. So we're approaching that first hour mark now. Machine switched itself off. We'll get the pellet hopper out and we'll have a look. And I reckon that's probably just a little bit less than the Ninja pellets. Pop it back in. Same settings again. Smoker, 120 degrees, 1 hour and start. Exactly the same time period as the Ninja pellets. Top left of the screen, you can still see smoke. We're at the 90-minute mark now, so we're just going to take these pellets out and have a look. Still got a little bit in the bottom. I'm going to give them a little bit of a shake. We're going to put them back in. I'm going to carry on going. Once again, 100-minute mark. I can't really see any smoke coming out the back, so we're going to switch off and we're going to check our pellet hopper. And there we go. Pretty clean burn, not much left in the bottom, and just one pellet stuck to the side. So folks, as you can see from the video, I can't call this one. I think both these pellets performed exactly the same. If you've got any thoughts on these pellets, put it down in the description below.